In this video, we will cover Labor Run in Axacute. Labor Run allows you to record the tasks that are performed by your employees. The labor hours for each job order can be monitored through the production report in Axacute. This function is only enabled if you allow your employee to run multiple job orders in the transaction parameter under Job Labor Hours. To start a labor run, at the home page, click on the WIP button. Select Start Labor Run. Scan the barcode on your employee tag to input the employee ID. There are 3 job types that you can start in a labor run. Job Run is to capture the production labor run for a job order. Job Setup is used to capture the labor hour for a preparation task in a machine or a work center. For tasks that are unrelated to production, you can use the indirect type. You can maintain what are the indirect tasks that your employees can perform under the Indirect Tasks master file in the web view. Go ahead and select Job Run to capture the labor hour for a job order. And click on the Next button. First, select the warehouse. Scan the barcode on your job sheet to input the job order, suffix, and operation. Optionally, you can also scan the barcode on the machine to enter the machine ID. Click on the Start button to start the labor run in the background. After your employees have completed their labor work, you must end the labor run to capture the accurate labor hour. At the home page, click on the WIP button. Select End Labor Run. Scan the employee barcode to enter the employee ID. And click on the Next button. Axacute will display all the ongoing tasks that the employee is performing at the moment. Select the job type that you would like to stop. For a job run, you have the option to enter the completed quantity, quantity to move, and the scrap quantity. If you do not want to capture the completed quantity in the labor run, you can enter 0 quantity and capture the completed quantity using the WIP move function instead. Click on the Stop button to end the labor run. Thank you for watching this video.